Hello everyone, welcome to CodeChef. Myself Jwala Chaurasia, and today we are gonna solve the problem which came into starters 215. The name of the problem is gem bundles and the problem code is GEMBUND. The difficulty rating of the problem is cakewalk and the prerequisite is ad hoc. Let's start with reading the problem statement over here. So problem says you have R red gems, B blue gems and G green gems. Each gem normally sells for 3 coins. However, if you make a bundle of 1 red gem, 1 blue gem and 1 green gem, you can sell it for 10 coins instead. What is the maximum number of coins you can earn? Input format. The first line of input will contain a single integer t denoting the number of test cases. The first and only line of input contains 3 integers R, B and G. Output format. For each test case output on a new line, the maximum number of coins you can earn. Constraints for T lies from 1 to 1331 and RBG lies from 0 to 10. So guys, now let's understand the sample. Let's get in the question more precisely over here. So guys, this question is very much straightforward. It says that you will be having R red gems and B blue gems and G green gems, and each gem normally if you sell them alone, it you sells for 3 coins. And if you make a bundle of one each, you can sell them for 10 coins. Okay. So we have to find what is the maximum number of coins we can earn. So let's take the first test case. In the first test case, let's say R B G 1 1 1. So we can make exactly one bundle, right? After with this 1 1 1. So we can make 10 coins with it, right? Okay. And let's take the second test case, that is 0 10 and 10. Okay. Since we have no red gems, we cannot make any bundle, right? So we can sell the 20 gems separately. So for 20 times of 3, which is equals to 60 coins, we will earn. The output is 60. So guys, I think the test cases are pretty much clear. Now let's move toward the simple solution. Clearly, it's optimal to use the bundle whenever possible. Selling 3 gems individually gives us 3 plus 3 plus 3, which is equals to 9 coins, while selling them in a bundle gives 10 coins, which is larger, that is one the more plus one, right? So each bundle requires 1 gem of every color. So the number of bundles we can form is limited by the minimum amount of gems of any color we have. That is, let m equal to minimum of RGB, then we can only make m bundles of gem. At best, all the gems needs to be sold individually, right? So there will be r minus m, comma g minus m and b minus m gems remaining of each of the colors after making bundles. So the answer would be 10 times of m plus 3 times of r minus m plus g minus m plus b minus m, right? Simple ad hoc solution, guys. So now let's move toward the simple C++ code. So guys, this is my simple C++ code. I took the input for all the test cases as well as RBG. Over here, I initialize mn equal to minimum of r comma minimum of b comma g, and in this answer, I am initializing my solution formula. At the last, I'm simply printing my answer. And as you can see that, guys, I have got my C++ code right. Now let's move toward the Python code. So guys, this is my similar Python code. I took the input for all the test cases as well as I took the input for RBG. I initialize mn equal to minimum of r comma b comma g, and at the last I'm simply printing my answer with the formula which I explained to the solution. And as you can see that, guys, I have got my Python code right. So guys, I think the solution, the code in the approach is pretty much clear. Now let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching our videos.